Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve a few practice sums based on linear equations in two variables and their graph. Draw the graph of each of the following linear equations in two variables, x plus y is equal to 4. So to draw the graph, first thing what we need to do is, we need to find at least two solutions. So let's find two solutions. Let's put x is equal to 0. So if x is equal to 0, then 0 plus y is equal to 4. That means y is equal to 4. So this is one solution which we got. Second, let's put y is equal to 0. And therefore it will be x plus 0 is equal to 4. And that means x is equal to 4. So we got 2 points, 0, 4 and 4, 0. Now we'll plot these 2 points. Okay. So first point is 0, 4. X distance is 0. So from x we are not going to anywhere. From y we have to go to 4. So that means this is a point. This point is our 0, 4 point. Next one is 4, 0. For on x we have to go 4 places. So we'll come here. On y we don't have to travel anywhere, 0. So this is the point 4, 0. And now we will join these 2 points to form a line. And this is the graph of x plus y is equal to 4. We can cross check whether it is correct. If you see there is a point here, let me denote with a different color. So this point here is on the graph and that point is 2, 2. Let's see whether this is a solution to this equation. So if I put 2 and 2, x is 2, y is 2, 2 plus 2, 4, LHS is equal to RHS. And hence, yes, this point is the solution of this line. And it lies on the line itself. Line also. Okay, let's do the next one. X minus y is equal to 2. So again, we'll take x is equal to 0. That gives us 0 minus y is equal to 2. And therefore, y is equal to minus 2. And so we get one coordinate 0, minus 2. We put y is equal to 0. And that becomes x minus 0 is equal to 2. And therefore, x is equal to 2. And so second coordinate we get 2, 0. Let's now plot these points. So 0 minus 2, x is 0. So I don't have to move anywhere. I have to stay here at 0. And y is minus 2. So I have to go down to minus 2. So this is my one point, which is 0, minus 2. The second point is 2, 0. So on x I have to go 2. And y I don't have to move anywhere because it's 0. This is the second point. 2, 0. And now we will join these points to get our graph. And we got this line. Now to cross check, if you see this point here, the line cuts in this point. There is also this point. So we can check these two. So what is the coordinate of this point? This point is 3, 1. What is the coordinate of this point? 1, minus 1. Now we will cross check. If I put x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1, x 3, y 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, which is equal to 2. That's correct. X 1, y minus 1. So that will be 1 minus 1, LHS. And that will be 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2, which is equal to RHS. And hence, it is correct. So our line is correct, the graph is correct, and also it proves that every point on this line is the solution of this equation, x minus y equal to 2. Let's do the next one. Give the equations of two lines passing through 2, 14. How many more such lines are there and why? So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 14. And we want equation. So I can use that x plus y is equal to 16. This can be one equation of a line. Or I can use that 2x plus y (18). 4 plus 14 is 18. So these are two equations of the lines which pass through this point. How many such equations I can have? I can have many equations. I can use 3x plus y. 3x is 3 plus 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 14 is 20 is equal to 20. And so on. I can go on writing many equations. So there will be infinite equations and infinite lines passing through these points. And that's what we have learned in our earlier standards, that through a point we can pass infinite lines through one single point. So we see that what we learned earlier we can prove using these equations. Let's do the next one. If the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7, find the value of e. If this point lies on this equation, then when we replace these values, we will get the value of a. So let's replace the values. 3y. So 3, 4 is the point. That means the x coordinate is 3 and y is 4. And so replacing these values, 3y, 3 into 4 is equal to ax, a into 3 plus 7. 3 into 4 is 12. 12 is equal to 3a plus 7. The 7 goes that side, subtract. So 5 is equal to 3a. Now this 3 goes this side, divides. And therefore a is equal to 5 upon 3. Now we can cross check it. If I put a is equal to 5 upon 3, our equation was 3y is equal to ax plus 7. I can write this as 3y minus ax is equal to 7. So I'll replace the value of a, x and y in LHS. So LHS becomes 3 into 4 minus 5 upon 3 into x is 3. That is equal to 3 into 4 is 12 minus 5 upon 3 into 3. 3 gets cancelled, so minus 5. And that is equal to 7, which is equal to RHS. Hence, it is proved. So, value of A is 5 upon 3. Let's do the next one. From the choices given below, choose the equation whose graphs are given in the adjacent figure. Now, if you see, the graph passes through the center. When any line or any graph passes through the center, its equation is always in the form y is equal to mx. There is no constant. There are only two terms, one term with y, one term with x. That's all. There will not be any numerical term. And that clearly indicates that this is not going to be our answer, because it has a numerical term. So this is not going to be our answer. So we will check first and second. Y is equal to x. If you see here, minus 1 and 1. X is minus 1, y is 1. That's not true. Y is not equal to x. So even this one is not true. Let's take x plus y is equal to 0. X plus y is equal to 0. If I take y that side, it becomes x is equal to minus y. And if you see, here y is 1 and x is minus 1. So x is minus y. That's correct. Here x is 1 and y is minus 1. So if we put minus 1 here, minus minus plus 1, x becomes 1. So that's correct. So this is correct. So how do we solve it? Let's solve the way it has to be solved. This is just a concept which I gave you. So the points, replacing these values in equation. We'll only take LHS. So LHS is equal to x plus y. First point is minus 1, 1. So x is minus 1 plus y is 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. And that is equal to RHS. So the first point certainly lies on this line. Now let's take the next point. So here we are using minus 1 comma 1, and here we are going to use 1 comma minus 1. LHS would be 1 plus minus 1. That is equal to 1 minus 1, and that is 0, which is equal to RHS. And so definitely 1 minus 1 also lies on this line. And hence this graph represents this line. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the QTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.